All right, let's see what we're gonna do here now. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? So all of here is done. Now they say, so we have to be careful now. A plus B is the same as 6 plus minus 4. That's the same as saying 6 minus 4. So the numerator is 2. So the numerator is 2. Minus B, oh, that's pretty easy. If B is minus 4, then minus B is positive 4, right? So let's try this. B is minus 4. Minus B is equal to minus 4 times minus 1, resulting in a positive 4. Now we're going to have a positive 4 plus C. Now 4 plus 8, right? That's what that's going to be, 4 plus 8. That means in the following line, we're going to have 2 over 12, resulting in 1 over 6, right? And that's the end of that one. That was actually, it was tricky, but it was also simple. Because we have to be careful about the B and the minus B. We also had to be careful with the 6 plus minus 4, because 6 plus minus 4 is the same as 6 minus 4, right? So just take a look at this, and yeah, that's the end of this question. That is the end of this. That is the end.